public safety isn't limited by what we see. It's limited by how fast we act. A wildfire begins as a spark, but grows before anyone responds. Traffic builds unnoticed until movement stops completely. A collision happens instantly, response follows too slowly. This isn't about visibility, it's about response. The CAD system triggers an alert. A drone dispatches instantly, autonomous or operator-led. Crowd density, movement, and anomalies are visible before officers arrive. A missing person alert comes in. FlytBase receives it from CAD and dispatches a drone to the last known location. Responders get a live aerial view and know exactly where to search. A collision is reported. FlytBase dispatches a drone to the scene. Responders get a live aerial view before they arrive. After a hurricane or tornado, FlytBase deploys drones across affected areas, mapping damage and giving emergency teams a complete picture before they move in. And when seconds matter, FlytBase ensures responders have eyes on the situation before they arrive.